Hello students, Dr. Heintz here. Hope everyone is safe and sound at home doing their social distancing. So we have quite the challenge in front of us for presumably the next couple weeks, if not the rest of the semester, trying to figure out how to complete engineering class. So today I'm here to talk about the quarantined lectures. Hey guys, so just coming to you here from my own home. Of course, I know this is affecting everyone in their own ways. You guys also may notice that I've decided to grow a beard with some time away from work. I've got some time to play around with that and see if it sticks or not. So hopefully you guys are finding your time away productive as well. So with this week would have been the return back from spring break. Obviously classes are canceled through at least mid-April now, with the high likelihood of that being extended somewhat. I do know that your districts are also moving toward, your classes are also moving towards some sort of online learning, and I'm sure that you guys, being responsible young adults, have probably already considered how you are going to proceed in that. So as far as how this will affect engineering class, right, we normally meet once a week. Only missing a couple lectures, right, even through April, assuming we go back on time, is actually pretty impactful. So what I want to do in the meantime is try to supply additional learning. However, I do realize that not being in person and not interacting does make sitting down for an hour-long lecture and watching me do a lab on video is probably not quite as effective as doing it yourself. So what I'm going to try to do what my target is on these quarantine lectures, is I'm trying to keep everything to about 10 minutes or less. We'll instead break down what normally would have been a long lecture into a bunch of smaller topics. And my hope is that with these being 10 minutes or less, that it can be a little more engaging, be a little less time intensive, and you can sit down and watch it and gather. So that is the intent of what we'll try. So these will be put up, obviously, I mean, you're watching it now on the YouTube channel, so you know where it exists, but that will be the intention of how we move forward. I will try this for about a week or two, putting up some lectures, and honestly, if we're just not getting the views, if it's not something that's working for you guys, then we'll just stop doing it and we'll hold off on class until it comes back. That is not a threat. That is not something saying like, hey, watch it or else. I just want to make sure that my time and your time is being valuably used, right? I do understand that with online learning that you may have to shift your resources accordingly for your normal classes, and that's completely reasonable. So anyway, that'll wrap up this video, just the intro video, and we'll start getting those out immediately. But please feel free to leave comments, reach out to me individually if you have questions. And if nothing else, I hope to see you guys around. Thank you.